Check out this Charger, guys. Clean. It's the Hemi retail red. This might be one for the lot here. It looks like it's got a little bumper damage. No big deal. Let's throw a bumper on it real quick. This is an easy fit. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Man.
They slapped the taste out of their mouth with that one. Damn.
Man, that's crazy. You walk at it from any other, even like right
Any
here,
angle, it looks clean.
it looks like a solid straight car. I thought it just needed a bumper. Yeah, I guarantee somebody felt that.
Bet them airbags in play too. Oh look, the bumper's in the back seat.
Oh, is it? Yep. Well, at least you still got the bumper.
Yeah. Guess who it is? Hey, yo, Dre.
Just future reference for y'all, man. Slow the fuck down. I mean, look at this shit. One of y'all motherfuckers, Texas, was going too fast down the highway, maybe getting some roadhead. I don't know. Probably. And then you lost it. And now look. That nut cost you an entire Harley Davidson beautiful F-Series truck. Come on, man. Let me see. Is there any nut stains in here? That may or may not be nut stains on the seat. Y'all need to chill the fuck out, man. God damn.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Look, and you probably killed your wife. The damn roof's all squished down over there.
But these are the cars you're not allowed to touch.
Ah. So they won't let you get under the hood.
No.
You know, it's because I haven't finished the insurance company.
Yeah, they're still...
Oh, it's got an actual European Union tag. I wonder if it was like a diplomat car.
Someone commented on the video with this in it, and they said that license plate is from where they live.
Right.
Like they recognize the
So,
number
well,
or something.
it should say right here. It is, yeah, it's Germany. That's a German sticker. That's a European Union tag. So it could be like a consulate general person or something like that. Damn. And it doesn't look that bad, but I mean,
Nobody's gonna buy it.
no, you can't even get any parts out of this thing.
It's not worth. Even if you could get into the engine, it's an old.
It's got to be a 2000 to 2004,
Yeah.
maybe a 05.
It got hit in the front too. It got hit. I mean, everywhere.
I wonder if it was like parked in a semi truck, went like right up the ass, because that was a hard hit. I don't give a fuck, even if it's with the crumple zone. Like you got, Jesus Christ.
Well, the crazy thing is the airbags didn't go off. There's no airbags.
Was it a biohazard? Is it a
You can see
biohazard?
they used the jaws of life, so someone had to be in it.
Oh, so they got somebody out maybe.
Yeah, they had to, because they cut it up to get someone out.
I don't see any blood though.
No, there's no bio stickers. There's no blood. There's not even any airbags. Like the only way the airbag should not have gone off is if the car was not running.
If you survive this, because I'll post this later. If you survive an accident and this like I would buy nothing but this car for the rest of my life. If I'm in a car and I get out and this shit looks like this is all I'm buying. I have to get all under this shit and see how bad the fucking engine compartment is.
Yeah, and there's glue. You could see someone had their paint pins under there.
Oh, where they're tapping.
Marking shit.
Yep. Well, I mean, the radiator and shit don't look busted. But, yeah.
It's crazy the shit that gets donated. You kidding me? It's got a fucking airbag.
Yeah,
I thought he was full of shit.
that is ridiculous. Yeah, that's the last thing you want is a damn airbag to go off when you're hitting something. Ugh. This one looks pretty though. Like we're gonna come around the other side. It'll be.
This is police department.
Uh-oh.
This got impounded.
Drug seizure, maybe? Do y'all have those seizure laws here where they can just take your shit? Yeah.
They have the police impound. Damn.
That bitch is clean as fuck.
We've got DA impound auctions at Arrow Wrecker out here.
Ah, it smells like something. Not burned. Maybe someone just take a shower and they smell like ass in there. I don't know.
Remember that little, the white, no, the, what was that car I picked up? The Sonic. I think it was the Sonic. It had the crack pipe
Yeah.
in the back seat. That was a...
That's pretty though.
Rockefeller, yo. Jigger. Timberland shit. 9-8, biatch. Say what? Follow me.